Drop them 7-7s, man. Drop them 7-7s. Let's get fired. Let's get fired. Let's get fired, y'all. For real.
Everybody's going.
Yes, yes.
From the incentives to the vacations, from the blueprint that we just did, adding another trader to the platform. I mean, don't you feel like Christmas just hit you today? Like, y'all gotta feel like this is Christmas. A bunch of strangers just giving away a bunch of things, right? But now, we started as strangers, right? Once upon a time before we all got to know each other. And we literally bonded and turned into a family. So, let me tell you, if you're looking for a best friend, your best friend is in this mentorship. If you're looking to really create a new circle, your circle's in here.
Yes.
This is your circle. We are your circle. So get to know us. Start bonding with us. Get used to our face, because we ain't going nowhere. You really want to build a solid group of friends, a solid squad, a solid circle. Stop being shy and start get to know one of us, because you got a lot of friends in this mentorship. Like, this is the real squad. This is the people where you're gonna break bread with. This is the people where you're gonna mastermind with, share ideas, collaborate. Some of y'all may make a lot of money and collaborate outside this mentorship. Maybe dab into real estate. I don't know, Airbnb, whatever it is. Make some friends, because with this one thing we all have in common, we want to make some money. We want to impact. Yes. We want multiple streams of income. We want to diversify our portfolio. That's what sets us aside from this mentorship, from the outside world, where everyone has that employee mindset. That's what separates us. So if you're looking for a best friend, it's in here. If you need a best friend, you got me. You got a bunch of other leaders in here. We are here for a long, long, long time, guys. So get used to it, because we got a lot of friends to make in this mentorship. All right? Awesome. Let me, so make sure you guys plug in. There's a section for all the trade ideas, everything that's going to be in there, guys. It's just going to be right there. So make sure you plug in tomorrow at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Eastern as well. Let me make sure everyone knows. Thank you, Chip.
Yeah, we got 239 people in here.
People are excited.
Mo, you want me to text you the link? Message me. Oh, yeah. This